Alright everybody, here's a video brought to you by my pro detailer. This is actually the second part of this minivan, which at one point was pretty bad. It is something that came out as good as it's gonna get, considering how bad this van was. As you can see here, the seats look phenomenal compared to how it was. So you can see one mark there was just beyond repair. The headliner, everything. This by far has been the dirtiest van so far that I've done. Unfortunately, as you can see, the carpet, the red dye is just not coming off of it. But again, considering how bad this van was, it turned out to be very good, regardless of that kind of situation. You know, seats are still a little bit wet since I just finished it a few minutes ago. But again, given the situation in which I found and took over this van for one of my customers, it came out pretty good. Those marks that you see will probably get carpet dye down there, which is an easy fix. A couple dollars and spray can and basically get it all done. But I like it. Hopefully my client will think that it's in pretty good shape. Again, this video brought to you by my pro detailer. Alright everybody, here's another video brought to you by my pro detailer. As you can see, this van looks like it was dragged out of the swamp. It is by far one of the most challenging trucks that I am going to be tackling here at my pro detailer. Wanted to make a video of it because it is by far a completely mess. I mean, it is something in which obviously words cannot express how bad this thing is. I'll go back here. You can see that even the back seats are in pretty bad shape. We'll try to see if we can get a feeling for what the back really, oh my goodness, it's just one surprise after another. It is gonna be a challenge, but I'm gonna give it my world. You know, basically try to get as much as possible done to this van for one of my customers. He entrusted me that I will be able to take care of this and make it look as good as possible. And believe me, I'm up for the challenge. Here at my pro detailer, I take cars like this and make them look as good, if not even better than new. And you're probably saying to yourself, no freaking way will he be able to do anything with this truck. But we'll see. The next video that I post is actually going to show what this van, and the outside is not that bad. It's got a little rust there, but given how the inside is, it is actually very nice looking. Again, this video brought to you by my pro detailer.